Hi, and welcome to this lecture. Here we are going to talk a little bit about verbs, and just so you know, most verbs are conjugated with avoir and être, and the majority of them are conjugated with avoir. That is why I decided to start with this one. Okay, here I have le verbe avoir. Here it is, okay? J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, and elles ont. Now, what does this mean? What did we just say? So, avoir means to have, okay? Avoir means to have. So, just to help you out, I had also written it in English. J'ai means I. Tu as means you have. Il a means he has. Elle a means she has. Nous avons means we have. Vous avez means you have. And again, that's plural. Ils ont means they have. And elles ont, again, means they have. Ils ont is masculine. Elles ont is féminin. Okay? And just so you guys know, when we're working with il and elle au pluriel, what do we do if we are referring to three girls? Of course, that's simple. It's féminin. We would say elles ont, okay? But what if we have a mix? We have girls and boys. We have two boys and one girl working on a writing assignment. Again, so two boys, one girl working on a writing assignment. We would refer to them as ils ont, okay? Even though there's more girls than boys, anytime we're talking about two or more people, it's pluriel. And anytime there is at least one male or one boy, it is automatically always masculine, okay? Very important. As soon as there is at least one boy in the picture, one man in the picture, something masculine in the picture, it is masculine. Okay, so if it's a group of people, there's 10 women, one male. It just so happens that they are all referred to as il instead of elle. Okay, so keep that in mind. Great job with avoir. Now I am going to show you être.